What's up, family? I don't know what I got going on this morning, but how you guys doing? We are back. Let's go ahead and jump right into the charting session. This TK Profit. We charted at the beginning of the week to figure out what the volatility would be as far as the news, and then we find our trade setups and execute them live. So let's go ahead and head to trading view. Yeah, so got a little carried away playing our anthem over here. That's our affirmation song. So we'll start with gold, with us being right here. Hold on, give me a second. One second, you guys. Okay, cool. Let's see what we got Wednesday. Thursday. So Thursday we got Euro, USD. Mostly Euro and USD news. Right now we got a couple of trade setups open. We got gold and US 30 open right now. Gold is pretty much trading in consolidation. We pretty much are set up as far as monitoring this pair. We got our alerts below and above consolidation. We took a couple sales, some here, and right here in this area. All of them are in profit, so more wins with gold. Win, win. Yeah. From here, the only thing that we need to do is wait to see what happens right here at this low. Is gold going to break this low? Or will we get a little more playing around? That's what we need to see right here. As far as our other position, US 30. We're actually looking for a response from this zone. Where are we? This is current price. Time frame 1 hour. Let me see. Okay, cool. So we talked about this uptrend continuing at the top of this week. Okay, we saw this gap right here at the beginning of the week to open the market. I told you guys in most cases when gaps happen, they will continue that uptrend. And we also spoke about another possibility. In some cases, what I told you guys, I've seen gaps open, but they'll start at a area of resistance, and in some cases it'll drop immediately to fill that gap and go in the opposite direction. So we went by a simple concept. We set an alert above this area and below. I was already in the buy here at the lows. So the only thing that we had to do was just leave this thing alone. Now right here at this zone on the 3-hour time frame, I believe we are facing the 200-day EMA. Okay, on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, we're right at this EMA, and we are also retesting this high over here. So what we want to do is just be patient with this thing. There's a chance we could see a pullback right here on US 30. Let me stretch that all the way across. But we do have a lot of liquidity above this thing. So another area we're monitoring. By 11 o'clock, we'll know the story. So we got 4 more minutes. Let's get rid of this. Price broke above. That's pretty much it. So for the guys that's watching with us, if you're not trading, I would suggest that you go ahead and set up those accounts, because we don't just look at the market, we actually share our exact entries and our coordinates. So at the very least, you can get your demo account and set up your demo account and place these trades on the demo account to practice. Okay? Even if you don't know what you're looking at, you can still make money. When you enter in these trade setups, it's really just like putting in the phone number, man. Like you see these coordinates over on the right, I'll say we're about to buy or sell. You just push a damn button. I give you the stop loss, 4295 or 957.5. And you just type that in. So you don't have to know as much as you think you do to enter in these trade setups. And for the guys that want to begin, but you don't know how to start, we created a free series to show you how to place your demo accounts. To set up your demo accounts and your live accounts. And you'll find that on our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. And you'll get that trading essential bundles. It's absolutely free. Once you go through those processes, you'll be able to trade with me. So far, these are really our only 2 setups, and they played out beautifully. This buy right here from the bottom, called this thing out last week. So not only can you, like I said, win with us, but the way we use our processes is we swing trade. So we don't spend long time staring at the screen. I trade for an hour and I chart for an hour. So from an hour of studying, this trade brought us a couple $1,000s. This is why I told everybody to enter in our live session. And this is how it played out. Boom, this is where we are right now. Same thing with that gold setup. Just created a post about this entry. We hit 2 TPs on this. So we got 1,500 pips on US 30, almost 500 pips on gold, and it looks like it could still break the lows. So all of these trade setups, again, you could be a part of them. So let's go look through these Euro pairs. We got Euro news tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah. So on the monthly time frame, definitely still looking bullish. Let's see where this pullback wants to go. Oh, that is a huge gap. Okay, so we also called this Euro buy from here, hit TP1 and TP2 before turning around. Let's actually see what is going on. Because really we want to look for another buy. Those highs were definitely broken, but we got to find the area of interest. And at this point, ooh-wee, this thing looks like it's about to turn around. So in the market, some people refer to it as a bell curve. We refer to it as the jump. But let me show you what it is on the top. It's pretty much just market movement. So let's say we're here. This will explain everything as far as trading. It's way more simple than you guys think. So let's say we're right here. Like I said, some people call it the bell curve, some people call it the jump, but the only thing that is showing you is how to identify when the market is clearly in an uptrend like this, whether it's consolidating like it is in this area or this area, or you have a downtrend. Now, the significance of this is to show you the trend will change only after price consolidates. That's really important. And it also shows you after consolidation is broken, you'll normally get a pullback to retest consolidation, but for moving in the opposite direction. Okay? This is really one of the only things you need as far as trading. And then from there, just practice it. Okay, so let me show you how we use this on this last setup. I got a huge thing. If I'm going to tell you something, I am going to show you. Okay, so where were we? Oh, right here. So this is why we took the buy. And we're going to figure out how we're going to take this sell in a minute. All right, so right here, let me put it on this line chart because some people aren't used to candlesticks, but this area was consolidation. The same thing that I just showed you guys. This was consolidation. Price broke above it right here. This pullback retested it, and I just placed a buy. What happened? We got 2 TPs hit from something that relatively simple. Now, if most people broke it down like this, I'm pretty sure everybody will be making money in this thing. But they come up with a lot of complex strategies, complex terminologies, just to scare you away. You don't need any of that stuff. So, same thing here, okay? Let's put it on the line chart to show you. Well, let me draw it right first. So here's consolidation, okay? This is the retest of consolidation, and what happened? It drops, it goes in the opposite direction. Main tool that you need. So right now, this area, this entire area right here, this is what we're looking at. If price continues to make this move, definitely gonna look for a pullback. Well, this could actually be the pullback, because these are the lows. This move was to break below. We got an alert on gold. Let me see what that's about. So let's test this out right now. Let's test the, ooh, it's right up under the 200-day EMA as well. Let's test this out right now. I'm gonna place this trade. Let's see if this area is sufficient enough. All right, let's get rid of that. We hit TP1 and TP2. The other one got hit. Let's see. Is both of those on the 4-hour? 2. Yeah, let's try this one here. So we're gonna take this sale on Euro AUD. Give me a second, I'm on my terminal. I got a bunch of different screens over here. Stop loss. Put this target in. So the target is 1.68111. That's a nice move. All right, yeah, so we'll go ahead and place this. Yeah, so I really like that price respected this downward trend line right here, where we had this previous area of resistance right here that was broken above. This turned into support. So with price breaking underneath this area and pulling back to retest it, this gives us a chance to test this area out. We're either going to get a nice fall in our favor or it's going to pull back. But the thing that I like about these particular setups is the odds are the odds. If this thing plays out, you get a 1-to-8 risk reward trade setup, which is absolutely phenomenal. When you trade, your power is. Do you have contact information? Sorry about that, Mr. Matthew. Yes, but one second. The power about this is, like I said, controlling your odds. Make sure you guys utilize that in all times. So right now we're in profit on this trade, so let's let it run. Mr. Matthew, as far as the contact information, you can go to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com.
And hello, random
Let's
chair.
see.
Clean up without
From there, you can join our Discord. You should be able to join our Discord directly from YouTube too. So head to my homepage on YouTube, and at the top you can join the Discord. That way you can contact me directly. Okay. But again, for the people that don't know where to begin, you can go to that bundles page and come down and start for free with that Trading Essentials bundle. All right, it's going to walk you through setting up that demo account, that live account, so you'll be able to trade with me. So we just placed this trade right here at the high. We are in profit right now. I'm going to go away from it and leave it alone. So that's another thing that you guys are going to pick up with us. We focus heavily on mindset and also being free as far as this trading. We don't stare at these charts long, man. After you put this trade in, I see a lot of people just staring at the trade to see the results. I don't care. It's either going to do what you said or it's not. Now, we set alerts to make sure that we monitor the position so we don't just completely set it and forget it. So for an example, before I finish looking at EA, so let me show you the gold trade that I was just telling you guys we entered. So with gold, yes, we're in the trade. We understand that the market fluctuates. So there's no reason to just stare and become a slave to the screen. We just use these alerts right here to let us know when price either continues to move in our favor or it turns against us, which removes us from the anxiety that most people face by just staring at the chart. So why are we talking about that? The biggest part of our company is our mindset series. Before looking at any charts with us, you guys have to go through the mindset series. And this is just for the people that choose to become a member. You can also, like I said, trade for free. I'm still going to share the setups. But in doing both, you're going to see that you won't have troubles with trading. It's going to be your mind, seeing how easy it is, being able to control yourself, being passionate about it without burning up your damn account. It's a lot of you involved that is completely separate from the market, which should be the main focus. But most people want to run to the money, and I get it. So I give it to you just so you can see what you really need, which is peace within yourself. So let's go back to that Euro CAD. We're already waiting on this level to be retested. What is this, on the 4 hour? All right, cool. Tomorrow we got news as well. So when I start seeing stuff shaping up like this, it's always pretty fishy. But this is definitely a buy zone. We got major news, high volatility news on Euro. coming up. So what we could see is some consolidation in this area if it's going to hold as valid support before moving up. So since this is the 4 hour time frame, I already put an alert there. So I was really just waiting on this thing to come back. I didn't know that it was actually here. We actually could have took that sale, but it's okay. We'll just see what happens from there. This is about to be fun. Okay, so Euro AUD, we're in the sale. Euro CAD, we're looking for that buy. Euro pound. Let's get rid of some of this stuff and figure out what's going on. Let me do Euro pound. From scratch. Got you. Yes. So this is a monthly time frame. This is crazy. This is a major key level right here. Look at all of the tests you got on this thing. So when the price was above it, it used it as support. Underneath, it used it as resistance. So this is extremely important even with scalping. Some people, when they scalp, they only look at the smaller time frames. They'll lose their trade setup just to see a major level being hit, and then you take off. For example, let's say you're looking at this area on the smaller time frame. You can't see that on the monthly it was retested. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. The chances that this level will be broken are extremely high because of all of those tests. But again, on the smaller time frames, you are blind to this. That's why I don't necessarily recommend it, especially for new traders. I want you guys to understand how the market moves, and then from there you can decide whatever you want to do, whether you want to swing trade, scalp, do intraday trades. It's up to you, but definitely learn the systems first. So we also see we got a monthly range going on right here. So we're going to break down in there and see what's going on. The next structural levels underneath, let's see. Was that tested? Yes. Have to take a look at that area. Okay, so that's the next support level in the market. But we got multiple rejections under that too, so let's just use my line tool. Got you. Now with this being set up like this, there's really nothing that you need to do. We know, well, besides use your alerts, we know if it goes down to the bottom, we're looking for sales, okay? Now this is the thing. With Thursday showing up with all of that high volatility, you don't want to trade in the middle of this thing. We only want to take the trade after it breaks below or breaks above. And we're simply going to use the break and retest. Okay, we got a double top formed right here. That's definitely bearish. This double bottom at the lows was retested with this. So with these things shaping up, damn, it's a double top here too. So we got a double top here. Price retested it and made another double top. So it's definitely looking bearish. I would say that there's a good chance this thing will continue to sell. But again, price can get really volatile since this is in between two key levels. We don't want to become a victim of volatility. We want to use it as our power. So waiting on that break below or above will get a really nice impulsive move. So let's just get out of the way. Euro JPY. Daily. Let's get rid of all of this too. Oh yeah, that thing wants to go up. We'll see. We got a monthly zone underneath all of that liquidity. It looks like all of these things are setting up with the same play, honestly. Got a weekly or monthly range right above a monthly level or right below one. Let me move this down. Y'all be patient with me. It hit that and dropped. All right, cool. All of this, no matter how big those swings are, all of that is consolidation. So let's change it. Range. We want to know what happens right here and right here. So same concept. If price goes up to break this, we're going to look for buys, but right underneath this is a lot of stop losses. And we got a monthly zone down there. What is this? The daily? Let's see how this daily candle plays out. Yeah, so for the euro pairs, I'm waiting until Thursday, except for that one that we entered. These others, definitely going to wait on them. Because the sentiment here still looks bullish. Yeah. Let's use these alerts. Boom. So we trap price, use the alerts. We're going to check it out during the London session. Take advantage of them. Tuesday, you guys. I'm sorry. On Wednesdays, we normally look for scalps. Mostly get consolidation before those breakouts. That's something else I test y'all. Well, I challenge y'all to go look at yourself. Go to TradingView and use this tool to see when you get these breakouts. Like you see this move? This was Tuesday. I'm telling you, normally Tuesdays and Thursdays you'll see the breakouts. Outside of that, you'll most likely see consolidation. So that's consolidation. That's the breakout. And yeah, I'm not going to do it for you. Go check that out yourself and you'll see why days like this, no matter what's going on, I would normally just wait until either Thursday or Tuesday of the next week to find my setup, because you can definitely get caught into some really sporadic movement and that scares people. So, what I can do is give you an example. Like, check out US 30. We entered in at the lows, but so we entered right here. But for the people that got in at the middle, they didn't know what was going on. It'll give you some profit, take it away, give you some, take it away. This is why I don't enter in trades in the middle. I want to wait until we're like absolutely at the lows or right at an area of resistance. Okay. So we actually took this sale this morning from here. We saw this high that needed to be retested. We took this sale. I still have a few positions open on this buy right here, but we're definitely in profit right now in this sale just from being patient, okay? So this will be it for today. Appreciate you guys for hopping on. Again, the guys that want to begin trading, you don't know where to start, you can head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. I'm going to show you how to set up your demo account, show you how to set up your live account. That way when you see me live, you'll be able to hop on and place trades with us, okay? You get that Trading Essential bundles. You also get the free trial to our Mindset Series Structure Breaking. We got to make you aware of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It also comes with our 6-week journal. This is the real work, being intentional with your words. I see a lot of traders, we lose trade setups or take lessons and speak poorly about ourselves. That creates inconsistency when it comes to your execution. That's what we don't want. We need you confident enough to push the button when the times is right. All right. We also have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. That covers all of the concepts that I give you guys in these live sessions and our live trading sessions. We also have the log books to help you log your process and your emotional state. Very key. Outside of that, we got merch, so you guys support the vision, support the dream. And to join us, you can get the beginner bundle or upgrade to tier 2. But as always, remember, you're one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?